welcome to my kitchen. Let's make tomato soup today. Preheat a pan on medium-high heat. Add in 6 cups of roughly chopped tomatoes. Cook them until they become soft and mushy. Once they become soft, keep stirring them occasionally. Tomato juices have evaporated. Now continuously saute until this becomes a paste. Sauteing the tomatoes like this will get rid of the raw tomato flavor in the soup. When the tomatoes start sticking to the pan like this, switch off the flame and move the pan away from heat. Now let's see the next step. Friends, for making tomato soup, or if you're cooking tomatoes, please use a stainless steel pot. Preheat a non-reactive Dutch oven on medium-low heat. Add in 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the butter starts melting, add in 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Saute until garlic becomes soft. Add 1 cup of chopped onion. Saute until it becomes light brown in color. Add 1 tablespoon of rice or oats flour. Saute for a minute. Add 2 cups of veggie broth, stirring continuously. Please use a wire whip. Bring to a simmer over medium-low heat. Make sure the rice flour is not sticking to the bottom of the pot. Once this thickens up, add in the sauteed tomatoes. Give it a mix. Add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and salt to taste. Friends, my veggie stock had salt, so I'll be adding salt later if needed. Simmer this on medium-low heat for 5 minutes. Switch off the flame. Let this cool down briefly. Blend this all together. Strain the soup. Using a wire whip will speed up the process of straining the soup. Add little water in this pulp and strain it. Discard this. Add the soup back into the Dutch oven. Add in salt if needed. If tomatoes are very tart, add in a teaspoon of sugar. I won't be adding any sugar because the tomatoes are on the sweeter side. Add in a quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder. Simmer this for 10 minutes or more if you want a thicker soup. Soup has thickened up. Switch off the stove Add in 1/4 cup of cream. Keep stirring continuously. Soup is ready. It will thicken up as it cools down. Garnish this soup with cream, croutons, and any cheese of your choice. Piping hot soup is ready to be served. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.